What have I been up to? Well, on the Model T, I added this bracket today. It's one I had to have custom made. It matches the original. See, it matches perfectly with that. So it's exactly drawn to the original plans. So she is looking swell. Getting nice. Oh yeah, I want to show you some other things I've been doing. This over here I have a little fisheye hook. That's gonna be inside there, so I can lift that up and install it. That'll be good. Everything's right. Perfect. So yeah, I'm doing pretty good for someone that doesn't have much money. See that? These are all respoked, the back. This is, I don't know, the axle's 1913. I had to do Frankenstein things, so I guess it could still pass off. Uh, you know, they were interchangeable, the parts on Model Ts. So yeah, I gotta flip that in the morning and then install that in there. I told you guys, why I've been sneezing a lot is this. Look how much pollen that is. You don't have to worry, I don't have corona or anything. It's just, look at that. That's all pollen. Crazy. When you live this close out to the forest, you get that kind of issue going on, the pollen. But the horn is done the way that it should be, correctly. It's 6 volt, just like the original too. Yeah, it is an original. So yeah, things are good.